In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more views here on YouTube. Now, what I'm talking about is a strategy that has only 2 steps that you need to take to get more views here on YouTube. And the strategy that I'm talking about, I've been experimenting it. This strategy, I applied it on this same channel that you're watching, and I ended up getting hundreds of thousands of views on this same channel. This strategy, when you apply it on your channel, you can get up to 100,000 views on a single video. You can get up to 200,000 views on a single video. You can get up to 300,000 views on a single video. This is the same strategy that I applied on my most popular video on this same channel, and that video right now, it is having almost 700,000 views. Hopefully that video can get up to 1 million views. And guess what? It is just a simple strategy that I applied on that video, and that video got that kind of views. And that's the same thing that I'm going to share with you in this video. And if you really want to get views, if you really want to get viral videos, this is the right video to watch. And after watching this video, I promise you, you should get this kind of results, because this strategy, it is very easy to apply. Any kind of a person can apply this strategy to any kind of a channel, and the results should also show up. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to be my channel, my name is Ben, and on this channel I make videos about tools, tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So if you want to grow a YouTube channel for success, just subscribe to this channel, like this video, and most importantly, don't forget to turn on notifications, because if you turn on notifications, every time I upload, you get notified, and you never know, my next video could be the video that takes your channel to the next level. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's grow together. All right, the first thing you're gonna do is to go to YouTube. You can go to any browser. For me, I'll use Chrome, or you can even use the YouTube app if you're using a mobile phone. Okay, so you go to any browser and then you search for YouTube. You go to YouTube, and now after going to YouTube, what you're gonna do next is to go straight to your channel. Okay, you need to make sure that your channel is logged in. Okay, you just go right here on your profile picture, click on that, and then you're gonna see this view your channel right here. Remember, the channel that we are talking about, the channel you have to go to, it is the channel that you want to actually generate views for, the channel that you want to make viral videos for. Yes, you need to make sure that you go to that particular channel that you want to get views for. Okay, so once you go to the channel, for example, I'm gonna use my channel right here. Anyway, congratulations to me, I just hit 100,000 subscribers, as you see right here. Yes, that's a big deal, but that's not the deal in this particular video. Now what you're gonna do next, once you come to your channel, it is right here. You come on the 3 filters right here. You see there's latest, members only, and public. Now what you're gonna do exactly is to click at latest. You're gonna click right here, and these options are gonna pop up. And what you're gonna do next is to click at popular. Yes, you're gonna filter for the most popular videos on your channel. And for my particular channel, let me scroll a little bit right here. These are the most popular videos on my channel, and the most popular video, it is almost having 700,000 views. That is actually approaching to 1 million. And this one has a 500,000. This one has 400,000 views. As you see, this one has 200,000 views, 140,000 views, and this one has 114,000 views. Now what you're gonna do next, once you filter for the most popular videos on your channel, it is now to analyze these videos. By analyzing, I'm not meaning that you need to watch all of these videos. No, that's not what you need to do. This is what exactly you need to do. Now you're gonna look at 6 top most popular videos on your channel. For example, this particular one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, from this one to this one, this is what you're gonna look at. Now what you're going to look for, it is the similarity in these videos, because remember, these videos have got views, these videos have performed better. Now when I talk about these videos have performed better, I'm not meaning that you need to have the same views as my videos here. I'm talking about any kind of views your most popular videos have. For example, let's say that your most popular video has 1,000 views, and then the second video has 800 views, the other one has 500 views, up to the 6th video. From the first video up the 6th video, you're around 600 views, 500 views. That's okay. So what you're going to do is to look at the most top videos, the popular 6 videos that have performed well on your channel. Okay, I'm talking about both shorts and long form videos. So if you create shorts, you can apply this same strategy on your shorts videos. Now what you're going to do is to look at the top 6 videos, look at the similarity between those videos, because by all means those videos must have a similarity, and I'm gonna show you what I mean by similarity. All right, let's just go straight to that. Now when you look at the most popular video right here, this video is about how to get more more views on YouTube. And when you look at the second popular video, this one, no views, it's actually also talking about how to get more views on YouTube. This one is also stop uploading like this, the upload mistake killing your views. You see, these videos are actually similar by talking about views. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and confirm all the videos and see what is the similarity, what is the particular thing that these videos are sharing. Okay, stop doing this after uploading, it is killing your channel. Okay, this is also about views. If you do this, you'll not get views. That's what I was actually talking about in this video. And now this one also shows this upload setting is a big mistake, kills views. You're gonna see that all these popular videos on my channel are talking about the same topic, which is views. Okay, so YouTube not recommending your videos, go to YouTube Studio. This is also YouTube not recommending your videos. It literally means that I was talking about views, how to get views. If YouTube is not giving you recommendations, if YouTube is not giving you views, it literally means that what I was talking about in this video, it is how to get views. Okay, give me 40 minutes. Okay, I will not talk about this video because I said we have to look at the first 6 videos. You can use 5 or 6 videos, but this should be the top most popular videos on your channel. All right, so as I've seen on my channel, these first 6 videos, the most popular 6 videos on my channel are talking about how to get views. Let me try this something on a different channel. I'll just go ahead right here, open a new tab, go to YouTube as I did on the first step, or on my own channel. Okay, so I'll definitely go to this channel here, Prince Asiama. Now when you look at his channel right here, I'll go straight to videos, and then from latest to popular, I'll definitely go to most popular videos. Now when you look at the most popular videos of Prince Asiama, you're gonna see that this channel, the most popular video was talking about how to get 1,000 subscribers. The second most popular video was talking about how to get 4,000 watch hours. Here, this is actually live streaming. This is also about how to get 4,000 watch hours. And the fourth video here, he was talking about how to get watch hours as well. This video was talking about how to get watch hours. This one, he was talking about how to get watch hours. Now, when you look at this channel, Prince Asiama's most popular videos, they also have a similarity. This is what you need to first of all discover. Among your most popular videos, what is the similarity among those videos? Once you spot out the similarity in your most popular videos, that is a win, because once you spot out that is what you're going to use to get viral videos on your channel. Now, as you see Prince Asiama's video, once he makes videos on how to get 4,000 watch hours, he definitely get views. Once he makes videos on how to get 1,000 subscribers, he definitely get views. And when you look at my own channel right here, when I talk about how to get more views, I definitely get views. And you know why? The thing is very simple. My audience are interested in getting views, and Prince Asiama's audience are interested in getting watch hours, getting subscribers, and monetizing. Now that is very, very important, and if you don't spot that out, you're gonna make videos that do not resonate with your audience. First of all, you need to understand what your audience like watching, and what your audience like watching, those are similarities in your most popular videos. Now, once you discover the similarities in your video, this is what you're gonna do. As I said on my channel here, once I make a video about how to get more views, anything about views, my videos actually get views. Now, let's say that this is your channel and you found out that once you make videos about how to get views, you actually get viral videos. Now, what you're going to do is to copy your own videos, and this is what I mean. The most popular videos that you're having right now, you're going to remake them. And when I say remaking them, you can watch my most popular video, this video right here. I was talking about how to get more views, and when you look at this video, the thumbnail and everything, you're gonna go ahead and look at this video. You're gonna find out that the thumbnail and the title are kind of similar. This video went viral and I remade it because this is the older video, and then I remade it and created this video right here. And this video also did well. It also got views. As I said, this strategy works. Now, after uploading this video also did well. What I did after a few months, I did a similar video. Okay, I remade another video. So it definitely means that this video and this video and this video are all similar. Now, after creating the first video right here, I spoke about the points on how to get more views, and then I came up with the second video. Now, with the second video, I didn't just talk about the same points because I need to make sure that my content makes sense to my audience and it helps my audience. I'm not just remaking content, but I'm also adding more points that make value or that gets value to my audience. The points that delivers value to make my video deliver even more value than the original video that I copied. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Check out this video if you're still struggling with getting 4,000 watch hours. In this video, I shared the way you can get 4,000 watch hours in just 7 to 21 days. In a period of 7 to 21 days, or in a period of 1 week to 3 weeks, you should be having 4,000 watch hours if you follow exactly what I shared in this video. So check out this video, follow up everything, and I promise you, you're gonna get 4,000 watch hours in a period of less than 3 weeks. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.